Okay, welcome to our day 3 of this mathematics tutorial series. So we'll be discussing today fractions. So we have first addition and subtracting fractions. For example, you have 3 plus 8, 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8. We'll just use these rules. We have a over b plus or minus c over b. Just copy b and b and then add a and c. So here you copy 8 and you have 3 plus 7. So this gives you 10 over 8. Now, if you have different denominators, you get the equivalent fraction. For example, you have 2 and 5. Multiply here by 3. Multiply here by 3. So this becomes 15. Okay. So you have also 1 and then 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. So this gives you 2 times 3 is 6 and then 15 plus 1 times 5 is 5 and then 15. So you have 6 plus 5 is 11 over 15. But then again, there is also another method of this. This is alternative solution 1. And then for alternative solution 2, you have for this one, you just have to cross multiply. Okay. For example, this one, 5 and 1, you have 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay. Plus 3 times 2 is 6. And then 5 times 3 is 15. So you have 11 over 15. Okay, so this second solution, first solution. How about this one? Get the equivalent value to make it the same, 24. So you have here 3 times 3. And then here 8 times 3 minus 17, 24. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 3 is 24. You have your minus 17, 24. So this gives you a negative value. 9 minus 17 is negative 8 over 24. You can reduce further. Okay. What is the equivalent fraction? You divide both sides by this one, divide by 8. And this one is divided also by 8. So you have negative 1. And then 24 divided 8 is negative, 24 divided 8 is 3. So you have negative 1/3. Okay. Multiplication. For multiplication, you have here the rule is just a times c and then b times d. The same numerator multiply and then the same also the denominator multiply it. So you have here 2 times 4 and then 3 times 5 will give you 2 times 4 is 8 and then you have 3 times 5 is 15. For denominator division rule, you have a over b divided by c over d. You have to copy a and b and then flip the c over d becomes d over c and then multiply them to get ad and bc. So here you have 3 over 4. Again, you have to flip this one and then make it multiplication. Here, from division to multiplication, you have 3 over 2. So this is 3 times 3 and then 4 times 2. So you have 9 over 8. Okay, so that's all for today and see you again in the next tutorial.